Hello everyone. In today's video we make an access cavity in a lower canine. The access cavity for the lower canine will be an oval shape in the center of the lingual surface. With a small round burr, we penetrate in the center of the lingual surface perpendicular to the axis of the tooth about 2 mm or so. We change the direction of penetration of the burr by about 45 degrees towards the apex. The cameral access will extend buccally almost to the incisal edge, but should not extend mesiodistally. We deepen the burr into the dentin until we notice a fall. We will not notice this in calcified pulp chambers. Once we suspect that we are in the pulp chamber, we will locate the canal with the endodontic probe. Normally the lower canine has a 96% canal. If we suspect a second canal, we would have to open something more lingually with an endo-Z burr. In cases where there is a second canal on the lingual, we will make compensatory wear of the cingulate dentin. The second canal is usually below the cingulum.